Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project where we'll create using Turtle, and in Turtle we'll create a loop, a cool image. Okay, so first of all we would like to import Turtle, and also we'd like to import random. Next we'd like to t equals turtle dot turtle. Yep, so t equals our turtle. T dot speed 0. Yep. And then turtle dot bg color, background color equals black. Yep. And then all we have to do is just create a new list, colors equals, in our brackets we open up and write red, then red, then yellow, then brown, then green, then purple, then we put a command, then cyan, then white. Yep, this is our color. So let's write for I in range 200 times. Our loop will run 200 times. T dot color random dot choice from colors, and then T dot pen size to T dot forward, open up our brackets, and let's write I multiply 2 divide 3. Yep. And then we write T dot right 45 degrees. Yep. And then we should write turtle dot done. Yep, let's save it up, let's run it. Let me open the turtle. So as you see, it's creating a loop. So as you see, it's changing its colors, going, becoming bigger. So as you see, it's our turtle that's moving. Yep, so as you see, it gets bigger and it stopped over here. So okay guys, this was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.